Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the phone number in your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your phone number in Wells Fargo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, sometimes you want to have work phone number associated with your Wells Fargo business account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update or change your phone number, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click on this button here, My Profile. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click here on Update Contact Information. Okay, once you do that, you'll see these three options, and you want to click on Phone Numbers. Okay, once you do that, you can see all the numbers you have attached to your Wells Fargo account. You can see I just have this one. So if you want to change it, just go ahead and delete it and then add in the new phone number. If you want to add a different number, you can easily just add in a second mobile or a home number right here. Once you've updated it, be sure to click on Save here on the right side. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update your phone number in your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.